Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello my luxury lovers, hello my fashion freaks, hello my Goyard geeks. If you're new here, my name is Mayank and I love luxury fashion, and today I'm doing a shopping vlog. Okay, so it's a shopping vlog and I'm going to show you a couple of things that I saw at Hermes, and then I want you guys to try to guess and see what I got. I got more than what I'm going to show, but I want you to try to guess out of what I show, which one I got out of those things. So it'll be fun. So leave it in the comments below. Let me know what you think I got. And then I will post the unboxing of what I got tomorrow or the next day My next video will be the unboxing of what I got. So again, if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? And without further ado, here is the shopping vlog. Okie dokie, here we go again with my famous voiceover skills. Alright, so just so you know, these videos are from a little while ago. It's from August 2022. So this is me driving down Rodeo. That's the new Louis Vuitton pop-up that happened this summer. A little past summer too, but that's the side of my car. Great camera work back. But look at that. Oh, so nice. I actually never got a chance to go in, but now they have Louis Vuitton is split up into the men's and women's section. So they have two separate stores, like the men's section. They have a whole separate men's section store, which is right over there by Hermes. There's Hermes. Hi, Hermes. Just a little dive down Rodeo. Oh, yeah, that's it. Wait, is that it? Yes. That's the new Chanel. It's still not ready yet. But where are we going today? Oh, yeah, we're going to Hermes. Rodeo. There's the other Louis Vuitton. Très, très chic. There's a lot of driving. Just a little tour Rodeo. On Keith. So this is me walking up to the back alley of Hermes. Look at that hand swipe. But yeah, usually now it's open to the public, but before you would go to the back and you could park at the valet and then just walk in, meet your SA, and walk in through the back instead of standing in line or going through the front. Even if you have an appointment, even if you don't have an appointment, you can just go to the back. But especially if you have an appointment then. So yeah. Got a little Rolls Royce. Cute little couple that was in before me. Look at our Kelly. Oh, so nice. So just walking. They make you wait and then you walk in. And so yeah, let's just kind of look at some of the stuff I looked at, and then you guys can decide what I got. Okay. There's my essay. This is kind of the layout of the store at the time. My camera work is sneaky as usual. But these are all the bags that were displayed now. Like currently they have like literally no bags displayed, but then I took it for granted how many bags there were to look at. There's a Bolide, I think, that skateboard thing. I'll show it to you later. I looked at it. I looked at that bag. I looked at the city backpack too. Oh, so nice. There's some bags over here. What do we got? I know I talk a lot. This is a beautiful corner of a table. Do you love it? I love it. Do you love it? I love it. Why am I on this for so long? Very not good at this editing thing, am I? Well, sneak attack videos, but oh, okay, so there's a bag. I didn't look at that one, actually. But I do want you guys to guess what I got. So this is the Dragon City backpack that's like got this dragon detailing on, which they did in Bolide, and it was so nice. I really want this backpack. This is really nice. What do you guys think? It looks so nice, right? The regular city backpack's like 8. This was like 16 or 17. This is like my number one contender. It's so nice. I want to see if my laptop fits into that. This is the Her bag backpack as well in red, which we all know is my favorite color. And it's got the leather on the top and then like canvas on the bottom and a pocket and H. It's just really nice. It's like a one step down from a Kelly. Not one step down, but it's like, Oh, and then this he brought out for me, which he said was like a surprise. Because they just got them in, and this is I think a mini Evelyn 16 TPM.
in Clemence in red, which, again, red, you guys know. I mean, that's pretty good. He said he had 10 of them, 10 mini Evelyns, so he brought me out a few options, but I only took photos of the red one. And then this is a little closer up that back wall. There's a 24 up there, which now is gone. They're all gone. That's an Evelyn 29 in pink down the bottom. We got that men's backpack, like messenger bag. That Depeche bag. I tried that on too, but I did not take any video of it. Mole bags to look at. That's that skateboard thing. It's like a skateboard holder and a leather. There's another city backpack plain. I also saw the city backpack in a cassis, like a dark purple, which was really nice too. And that dragon detail they also make on the bolide, which I saw earlier this year, which also looks really nice. And there's a tote bag. Did not try that on. Don't need any more totes. Oh, let's go and shop over here in the jewelry section. Always good to look at the jewelry. So they had a lot of yellows, and this is August. Sorry for the delay in posting this. Yeah, lots of yellows going on in the jewelry. Oh, and those are the suitcases. Clothing, August clothing, some greens. I tried on a few of them. The suitcases are like all over the store now in December, by the way. I think that's mine. Yeah, the suitcase is back there. I'll get closer to them here. Here's another fun angle of a corner, just for fun. And there's a reflection of me. Some hats. Oh yes, I did try on some hats too. Because maybe I got one, maybe I didn't. You know, I love my hats. More jewelry. A sneak attack in the jewelry cage. Wasn't actually that busy for August, for the summer. More. Yeah, those two hats I really liked. And then there was this reversible one down there. You can switch, like you can flip both ways. You get two hats in one for like pretty decent price. Not gonna lie, it might have been one of my more favorite things. But did I get it? Which one did I get? What did I get? Who knows? Oh, here's me trying it on. Where else? Can we see in the mirror? Turn, Mike. Turn. Turn, Mike. Turn. Come on. Ah. Barely. See? Yellow. Yellow, yellow. It's the bottom of my oil bag. Very bad at this camera work. Oh, what do we got over here? There's the backpack again. Oh yes, the suitcases, which are all over the store now. So nice. Little roller suitcases. Here's two of the things I got. And there's more. And keep guessing. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like that video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. And remember, I would love to get your guesses. I got two things, okay? One thing out of the things I showed you, and another thing that I didn't show you, but I'd love for you guys to guess anyway. Yeah. So I'd love to hear your comments. Please leave your comments below on what you think I got. I'd love to hear you guys respond, and I will post the unboxing of what I got in a day or two or three. Also, because editing, I'm not the best editor and I'm not good at this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, please share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Mwah.